Hey y'all, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at me. Look at that. We got hoe cakes back in the house, y'all. Nita's making hoe cakes like she has done for a million years. And Teresa's found me this morning. We're back down in the chicken box. We're just getting into sandwich season, y'all. We're just now getting into April. It's spring. Summer's coming. And Teresa knows how busy I am, so she brought me one of my favorite recipes today. Not too complicated. Y'all know how I work. All right. We're going to make a delicious sandwich. This is like a garden party sandwich. This is a little bit of a take off the cream cheese cucumber tea sandwiches that people have made forever and ever and ever.
What do we got going in there, Janie?
I got sour cream and we have black olives, and I'm going to put some pepper in here. And so we're
cream cheese.
Oh, does that not what I said? Cream cheese? I'm sorry, y'all. Cream cheese and olives. That's what this is. Cream cheese and black olives. And I knew that this bowl was going to be too big, but I really want to get the stuff worked in. Now, this isn't the whole recipe. This is like we cut it in half just for y'all. But if you're doing some kind of function at the house or you want to have some special sandwiches, this is like I said, a take on the cucumber. So this is our olives and our cream cheese right here with a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to take this. You can use white bread. I think white is probably traditionally what would be used for this, but I'm not really one for tradition, but I will cut the crust off in the tradition of tea sandwiches. I'm going to do 2 of these for you. So I know y'all are thinking, now, Jamie, how are you going to change that recipe up? Well, I'll tell you. You could put roasted red peppers in with this cream cheese right at the start if you wanted to not do your olives. I almost got ahead of myself. Now, on top of this, we're going to add, I tell you, if you get a Vidalia onion, it's so good. You can eat onion sandwiches. I used to eat onion sandwiches when I was young. It was before I ever had a girlfriend. I wonder why that was. It's not funny, Teresa. A little bit of mayonnaise and a Vidalia onion on some white bread. Ooh, that was a good enough lunch for me. So we're going to do Vidalias on here. Not too many. Looking out for your girlfriends or your boyfriends. Now, the cucumber.
The pretty.
Beautiful. Now the thing about a cucumber on a sandwich, I put them on several sandwiches down here, and it's got such a distinct, different flavor. It's almost like a little bit of lemon zest on something. It varieties it up. It really gives it a distinct, different flavor, which I love. All right. I told y'all it was a pretty simple one today. And it looks real easy till you have to make 70 of them. So if you're ever doing sandwiches like this for a party ahead of time, keep you some damp paper towels around. And when you get your sandwiches made, you can put a damp towel over the top of your sandwiches to keep it from hardening up. Keep them fresh until you're ready to eat them. Make sure you keep a bread knife around, because you don't want to tear your bread up. Bread knife is probably the tool that I use the most down here at the chicken box, besides my chef's knife. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this on the diagonal. Hey, Christina. So here we go. Ooh, what y'all think about that? That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Think I can go one more? Oh, I don't know. It's going to be close. I'll put that one in the bag. So how about that? It's pretty easy. It's a delicious summer sandwich, y'all. And the best part is this gives you lots of room to change it up any way that you want.
This is going to be a large dish, all right? Perfect.
Doesn't need a thing. I love olives. This is a great sandwich, y'all. Thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate it. This is good food. I'm Jamie Deen. See y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.